An Igbo guy in Canada has lost a job because of Igbo language. I repeat, an Igbo guy in Canada has lost a bank job because of Igbo language. Now, what happens to this Igbo boy, a Nigerian man in Canada? He applied for a bank job, submitted his application, submitted his resume, interview was not scheduled. Now, during the interview, this guy did well. From the things he said, he did well. But there was a problem. And what was this problem? This Igbo guy was asked, "Can you speak Igbo language?" The guy said no. They asked him, "But you have Igbo names?" He said yes. The parents did not teach him how to speak Igbo language. Listen, no. Now, why is a Canadian bank using speaking Igbo language as a criteria to employ somebody in Canada? Because Canada is not Igbo land. Canada is not Nigeria. So why? Now, this is why. You know, when a bank move into a new community, into a new location, or they are opening a new branch in a new location, first of all, the bank studies the geography of that place. The bank studies the demographic of that place. And the bank would want to hire somebody who can communicate fluently with the people who are predominantly living there. For instance, let's say you are a Yoruba person, or you are an Igbo person, or you are an Hausa person abroad. Then you meet somebody who works in a bank. This person approaches you, speaking your own language, telling you, "Come and bank with us. We just opened a new branch here." That feeling of, this is my brother, this is my sister, you would want to open a bank account with them. So this bank was employing people from different nationalities and tribes because they want to use these people to get customers from these tribes. So they needed somebody who speaks Yoruba, they needed somebody who speaks Igbo, they needed somebody who speaks Indian, they needed people who speak different languages to employ. Now, when it came to this Igbo boy's turn, he couldn't speak Igbo. He lost that job and his position was given to another Igbo guy who was fluent in speaking Igbo language. That is why I did 2 posts some hours ago, letting our African people know that Africans are the only people I know who come abroad. They abandon the speaking of their languages, they abandon their culture, they abandon their custom, they start to imitate what they don't know. But this same abroad, you see the Indians come here, they speak their languages. The Chinese, the Koreans, the Arabs, the Japanese, the Latinos, they still speak their languages here in America, in the UK, in Europe. But when it comes to Africans, they like to imitate inferiority complex. Now, if I had told this Igbo boy's parents years ago to teach this boy how to speak Igbo language, they would have told me, "What are you saying? Are you his parents?" It has backfired now in Canada, not in Nigeria, in Canada. Because they needed people from these major tribes to get customers from their tribes to come and bank with them. So another Igbo person was the person they now employed and not this very Igbo guy. So automatically, this boy's parents, they failed him because he grew up with the father Igbo. He grew up with the mother Igbo, but they could not teach him to speak Igbo language. And there are many Igbo people in diaspora that speaks Igbo. There are many Yoruba people in diaspora that speaks Yoruba. And there are many Africans here abroad that speaks their native African languages. But when it comes to some of us, especially Nigerians, inferiority complex and over-sabi, is it not a shame? Because I know people in Nigeria today, their children cannot even speak their native languages while they are still in Nigeria. Because Nigerians are people who believe that once your children are speaking fluent English, even if they cannot speak your native language, it shows that your children are poch. What a shame. That is why I said earlier today, if you are an African parent and your children are not speaking your native language, you have failed them in this world. Because there is a reason why your children came from that tribe. This is not a challenge to all of you now. Inferiority complex. Oh, you want your children to speak English? No problem. You go full set, then you go come reason with you and they talk. As you share this update, God bless you.
Now.
On
their voice.
Afo.
Easy.
Afo is there. Afo is see. Keba Morongi.
Hamulmuna Obodo. India. Hamulmuna Obodo, India.
India. Kambe Simongi Ibela Nigeria before.
Biabe were Nigeria before, Daddy.
So, in Kabu, is in Nigeria?
On Kabu is in Nigeria.
Okay. Gino ki choroka ngwa chukwu ko mere mama ngi.
Unchal chukwu ko melu mamamu ko yenya a baby boy. Twin baby boy, Nadi, everybody. Unchal ya ko we everybody, ko we everybody unwa ebwa woke.
Woke. Chukwu nyi everybody.
Na woke. Woke ebwa.
Woke ebwa. Na everybody. Ole ihe sokwa ka mmeri ọzọ.
Unchal ya ko we ego.
Ko nwe ego. Ole ihe ọzọ chọrọ ka emeri.
Unchal ya ko we ezigbo ihe na.
Ezigbo gị nụnụ?
Ezigbo ọlụ.
Ezigbo ọlụ.
Ihe m chọrọ. Ticha ya. Ticha ya.
Nticha onye?
Mama m.
Amen and amen. Do you see one thing I normally tell our people in abroad? This child, this is the first time she's coming to Africa. First time of coming to Nigeria. She speaks Igbo, she hears. That your child doesn't hear Igbo in America and UK or does not speak. It's not their fault, but parental fault. This child speaks English very well. Also speak India and speak Igbo very well. Parental fault. If your own does not hear your language. Hey, we are in America, we are in Italy. Igbo onye eriri. Ndelia, I'm a sweep of my. I am a promoter of good things. God bless you. Oh, you are doing it, ma. Huh? Do you know there are some children born in Onitsha don't know how to speak Igbo? Do you know there are some born in Lagos that don't know how to speak Igbo? Do you know there are some children born in Owerri don't know how to speak Igbo? Aturu mule bile bakanwa. But look at this one, born in India. Where is the mother? Let the mother come.
My mom is down. My mom is there. She's an Indian admin. Look at her cap.
Do you see she speaks English very well? And also speak Igbo. Training. Hey, they come, they go. Woman, God bless you. How do you make this child to be speaking Igbo very well?
When I born her, Zion will move. When I give birth to her, I will tell her, Gianna, go and bring this thing. Gianna, God will tell me her. That is how I started. From there. At times she will tell me, what is the meaning of this in Igbo? I will tell her. That is how I build her up.
That she speaks Igbo. Kwara no wa aka. Nke ọ na-asịsị kpere ga-ekpere ka elu ọ dị. Ọ dị ka nwere ihe na ihe siri wee mee. So ị chọrọ ka mkpere ebe ka ọ lụọ ezigbo di. Ọ m bịa lụba ya.
Anọ na ya. Anọ na ya nye ezigbo di.
Okwu adịla ịbụọ na ịtọ na ịnọ na ise na isii na ịsaa na ịsatọ na itenaanị na iri. Ọ sị m alụla ya nwunye ya ezigbo di. Ọ bụ m ezigbo, ọ bụ mma bụ ezigbo di.
Igbo ezigbo prophet.
Prophet ọ na-alụ nwanyị. Prophet a na-alụ nwanyị. Ịchọ ka m lụọ nwanyị.
Chukwu ga-enye gị ezigbo di. Chukwu ga-enye gị ezigbo nwanyị.
Chukwu gọzie anyị. Ma alụla ma ọ mee. Nke ana m achọkwa ịlụ ma ọ mee. Mmadụ la ma ọ mee. Chukwu gọzie gị. Olee ihe like na Zion karịa?
Unlike a prophecy with instant solution. Not testimonies.
Testimony.
Na kishi teacher madu ka kishi teacher madu.
Yes, I'm saying teacher madu. So look at this girl. Let you that have your kids in abroad, America, Indonesia, teach your children your mother tongue. The mother tongue first. English language does not add or subtract from someone's greatness. French language does not add or subtract. Rather, speaking someone's language without knowing how to speak your own makes you a slave. Nekulia, baby girl, I mean, a special gift for you. Only gift this one come young. Only gift this one come young. It's again, children,
Onse kim cholgi kinye mama mo ego kamu bidezibo una kukwa when wisdom, intelligence, knowledge.
Chukwu gozie kenye mama ego ka ibido ezigbo akwụkwọ. Ụmụ Chibo sef ha masị Igbo. God bless you. Teach your children their language. I used to laugh at so many of Igbo people. They are so proud. My daughter, my son doesn't know how to speak Igbo. As if to say he or she does not know how to speak Igbo, that has made that person a better person. It is only the stupidity of Igbo parents. Russians. Many Russians are born in America. They speak Igbo. They speak Russian. They speak American. It's only you people. Tell your children whom you are. Let them know their language. God bless all of you.